So hi, another unboxing from Lazada. I bought these ad guns for our dart players, and I got a couple pair, two sets each of black, gold or brass colored, and silver ones. Yeah, these are 2 grams each, and you can use these to make your darts longer and heavier by 2 grams. For example, I have these 20 grams, I think, practice darts here, and I added some ad grams to it, like this. As you can see, this is a 2 grammer ad darts, and you won't even notice it because the color suits like this. It's beautiful, and it wasn't noticeable. The disadvantage of this is that your dart barrel got longer. For some, they want longer barrels, and this is good for it. And you can also have these black ones, and I'm planning to practice this one, adding to my 22 grams tungsten tip. Let's try. Like that. Now it's longer now, and now it's heavier, and even it's not even noticeable, but as it has longer now, longer points. This is about 10 centimeter, 10 mm wide length, and the width is about 5.6, or just a 6 mm, 5 mm, like that. Oh, later I will be trying this one. I think this one is better, or I can try the silver one later on this one. Oh, let me try on the other ones. Here, let's try the silver ones. But it doesn't match the color because this is a tungsten. Oh, it's pretty good. It's just that it's like this, flat. I prefer the more tapered one. Let's try it. I have this Elite barrel. I've been using this for at least 3 months already, and it haven't failed me, even if I'm a beginner darter. These darts have fallen at least, how many dozens? 50 times, I think, and it did break. So I think Elite brands are quite sturdy. So that's it for our video for today with these darts, and these are amazing options for your practicing, so that you can also try other weights, instead of buying a lot of dart pins. You can try adding some darts before add grounds before setting, what do you call that, before having a decision to buy uh heavier heavier dart barrels. So that's it for our videos today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.